Hard surface finish cracking and flaking off is one of the most annoying problems when you want your floors or countertops to look fresh and last longer. So, first thing you gotta do is make sure the surface is super clean and dry before you slap on any finish. Don't rush it. Let the old stuff fully dry or cure. Use a good quality primer that's made for your specific surface type, whether it is concrete, wood, or something else. When you apply the finish, go for thin, even coats instead of thick globs, because thick layers are way more likely to crack and peel. Temperature and humidity matter big time. Try to work in a spot that's not too hot or cold and keep it ventilated so the finish can dry right. Avoid walking on the surface or putting stuff on it until it's completely cured, which can take a few days depending on what you used. If you want extra protection, consider a sealant designed to stick well with your finish type. And cleaning after, use gentle cleaners instead of harsh chemicals that can eat away at your finish over time. Trust me, doing these little things can save you a ton of headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with hard surface finish issues is skipping surface prep. If you don't get rid of dirt, grease, or old flaky finish, new layers won't stick right and start peeling fast. Fix that by thoroughly sanding and cleaning before applying anything new. Another common problem is applying finish in thick layers because it looks faster and easier but ends up cracking when drying unevenly. Just keep those coats thin and let each one dry fully. Third, ignoring environmental factors like temperature and humidity can mess up drying times and lead to flaking. Try to apply finishes when conditions are stable or use products made for tougher environments. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff about finishes and repairs. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to get more work from people who need help fixing issues like cracking or flaking finishes.